Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix bad quality TikToks uploads. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to fix bad quality TikToks uploads. First of all, record videos with higher resolution. Don't edit with the TikTok app. Turn off data saver mode. Manually adjust video quality. Resize videos with 1080 resolution and upload videos on desktop. And the second thing, you should check the brightness of your device. Secondly, if you are still having issue that you have facing bad quality uploading, then click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on the free up space, click on clear cache. Your all the cache will be cleared and hope so your video uploading quality will be improved. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.